Hello, and welcome to the third part of the crochet water bottle holder tutorial. This video contains detailed instructions and the complete diagrams of the crochet water bottle holder pattern shown in the previous two videos of Crochet Along. I believe that this is very simple but effective and appealing crochet item to make, and especially this design is very beginner friendly and easy to make in just 1 hour. You can choose a yarn and a color to your own liking for this project. The yarn used in this video is super fine, and the crochet hook is 3.0 or D/3. To crochet this beginner-friendly water bottle holder, there are 3 very easy steps. Step 1. Crochet the base. Step 2. Crochet the mesh body. Step 3. Crochet the rim and the handles. Step 1. Crochet the base. The base is crochet twice, meaning crocheting 2 almost identical pieces that are sewn together. For a start, you can choose what is more comfortable for you, starting with magic ring, or you can start with chain of 4 and close them with a slip stitch. Round 1, shown in the diagram in green. Work 12 double crochet in magic ring. Join with a slip stitch to the first double crochet. Total of 12 double crochet. Round 2, shown in the diagram in purple. Chain 3 counts as double crochet in next stitch, chain 1, repeat around. Join with a slip stitch to the top of beginning. 12 double crochet plus 12 chain 1 spaces equals total of 24 stitches. Round 3, shown in the diagram in orange. Chain 3 counts as double crochet in next stitch, 2 double crochet in spaces, repeat around. Join with a slip stitch to the top of beginning. Total of 36 double crochet. Round 4, shown in the diagram in red. Chain 3 counts as double crochet. Work 1 double crochet in first and 1 double crochet in the second stitch, chain 2, repeat around. Join with a slip stitch to the top of beginning. Total of 48 stitches. Round 5, shown in the diagram in blue. Chain 3 counts as double crochet. Work double crochet in next 2 stitches and 3 double crochet in spaces around, repeating evenly to create the larger circle shown in blue. Total of 60 double crochet. Join with a slip stitch. Now the only difference between 2 crochet base circles. For base number 1, chain 10 and connect with a slip stitch at the beginning. And for base number 2, chain 40 and connect with a slip stitch at the beginning. After finishing the 2 base parts, now is the time to sew or crochet them together. Whether to sew them or to use single crochet or slip stitch to join this to pieces together is your preference and your choice. In the example shown in the video, the 2 base pieces are joined together using single crochet. Start joining the pieces from the stick right after the second opening 2 rows below and finish at the same stitch on the opposite side as shown in the sketch. After joining the 2 pieces, now they form a small pouch with 1 short and 1 longer loop. When longer loop is put through the shorter loop, the pouch is closed. Step 2. Crochet the mesh body. Body shaping of the water bottle holder is a crochet net. Only first row is shown in the diagram in black pentagon, since the height is optional and to your own preferences. To begin crocheting the net, first turn the pouch inside out and crochet on this side. Round 6. Work around the previous round. Single crochet in the stitch where the joining of the 2 pieces finished, chain 14, skip 2 opening 2 rows below and work single crochet in the next stitch as shown in the diagram. Repeat around. After finishing, there will be 6 loose chains as shown on the diagram with black color. Round 7. Continue working around until desired height. Single crochet in the middle of chain of the previous row, chain 14. Single crochet in the middle of the next chain. Repeat around. Step 3. Crochet the rim and the handles. Round 8. When finishing the last chain of the net, 3 single crochet in the middle of chain of the previous row, chain 9, 3 single crochet in the middle of the next chain. Repeat around. Round 9. Work 3 single crochet, 9 single crochet into chain opening, chain 50, skip 4 chains, 3 single crochet, 9 single crochet into chain opening, chain 50. Join with a slip stitch. For reference, see the diagram. The lost row and handles are shown in pink. And that's it. This is very easy and cute foldable crochet water bottle holder. Now you can show off this cute crochet water bottle holder. You can put it on your bag as a charm or open it to carry your water bottle. Also, it's perfect as a small, quick, and easy to make gift. Thank you for being here. If this video resonates with you, subscribe for more crochet content.